Hello everyone, today's topic is text in Canvas. So we will be seeing how we can write text in Canvas. So for that one method we need, that is fill text. That is method that draw text in Canvas. Then what arguments basically it takes. First one is text, what text do you want to draw on Canvas. Then it's x and y coordinate where you want to display that text. And third one is like fourth one, that is optional maximum width. That's the width of the text basically, that how much, how till where you want the text to be. So let's get started. First, I have already written canvas, that is id box width and height 500. Then I fetch that into script by id, that is box, and get its context, that is 2D. Now let me write fill text, that is c dot fill text. So first one, and that is I'm writing is knowledge, that is text. Then I'm giving it 100 x and y coordinate. And let's see, there you can see it's displaying at 100 position and text is knowledge. And next I'm giving is a font to the text, that is let's say font 40 pixel, and font family I'm giving it Arial. Now let's see how it will look. There you can see it's now large. You can clearly see it now. Now if you want only stroke in your text, then you can write that as stroke text, and it will produce a text that is blank and only strokes is there. Now I want to give color to my text, so I want that property like fill style, that I want to give purple color. The next what I want is text align, that is to be center. So I'm giving it a text align center. Let's see how it will perform. So basically it's not taking the text line center, it's not aligning in the center. So what I'm going to change, firstly I'm going to change its stroke text to fill text, and I'm giving it like width, canvas dot width, that should be half, like in the middle, and canvas dot height, it also should be in the middle. So canvas dot width divided by 2 and canvas dot height divided by 2. Refresh the Chrome basically, and there you can see now it's in the center and it's also taking the color that is purple. So in this video I have shown you how to create a text in Canvas. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.